Gap 3. Delivering and performing service. As we can see in the diagram, provider gap 3 is the discrepancy between customer driven service standards and actual service delivery. Delivering and performing service. Even when guidelines exist for performing services well and treating customers correctly, high quality service performance is not a certainty. Standards must be backed by appropriate resources, people, systems, and technology. Employees must be trained, motivated, monitored, and compensated on the basis of performance based on standards. Thus, even when standards accurately reflect customers' expectations, if the company fails to provide support for them, if it does not facilitate, enable, encourage, and demand their achievement, standards do not work. Most companies have, in addition to external customers, a variety of internal customers. These are employees or departments that directly interact with customers and sell, advise, maintain, or troubleshoot for other departments or functions in the company. For example, company salespeople who interact directly with the external customer can be considered internal customers of many other departments and functions, such as the market research function, the administrative staff, and the product development department. Service organizations are required to maintain service standards for internal customers as much as they have to do so for external customers. Customer role. Even if contact employees and internal intermediaries are 100% consistent in their service delivery, the uncontrollable variable of the customer can introduce heterogeneity in service delivery. If customers do not perform their roles appropriately, if, for example, they fail to provide all the information necessary to the provider or neglect to follow instructions, service quality is affected. Effective service organizations acknowledge the role of customer variability and develop strategies to teach customers to perform their roles appropriately. When customers do not perform their roles well, when they do not provide information needed or do not follow instructions, they don't receive full value from the service. Some companies develop customer education programs to teach customers to be good customers.